Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Focus key fob. First, make sure all your vehicle's doors are completely closed and unlocked. It's also important to have all the key fobs you want to program with you, as this procedure will reset all existing programming. The entire process is quite quick, usually taking less than 1 minute from start to finish. To begin, insert your key into the ignition. Now, quickly turn the ignition from the OFF position to the RUN position 8 times within a 10-second window. Make sure the 8th turn ends with the ignition in the RUN position. You'll know you've successfully entered programming mode when your vehicle's door lock cycle, meaning they will lock and then unlock automatically. Once in programming mode, you have about 20 seconds to program each key fob. Take your first key fob and press any button on it. The door locks will cycle once more, confirming that this fob has been successfully programmed. If you have more key fobs, repeat this exact step for each one within the same 20-second time frame. When all fobs are programmed, simply turn the ignition to the OFF position to exit programming mode. After programming, test each key fob to confirm all functions, like locking and unlocking, work correctly. If a fob still isn't responding, it likely needs a new battery. Most Ford Focus key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. You can usually open the fob by prying it gently with a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. Remember to insert the new battery with the positive side facing up for proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.